In this video, I want to show you how to migrate your online website or online store without losing any data. So why migrate your website, you may ask? So there are several reasons. One could be maybe you want to keep up with online trends, or you are having more traffic on your website and your existing hosting company cannot cope with that, or it's going to become more expensive, or pretty much because you want more features. The method I'm going to show you is going to ensure a lossless migration. So before we migrate our website, it's also important to know what's being migrated. So first of all, it's going to be our database. Now the database stores all our data on our WordPress website. Secondly, it's going to be our files. So this could be our text that's on our websites and also the images. Next, it also could be the plugins and also the themes. So all these files need to be migrated without losing any data. Otherwise, you may encounter many problems. So in this first example, I want to create a staging of this website. So notice the URL here. So back over here in my dashboard, I just need to come over here now and click on Magic Login because I need to go in and install the plugin. Next, I'm going to come over here to plugins and then click on Add New Plugin. Now over here, I'm going to search for InstaWP Connect. So I've already gone ahead and installed the plugin. So as you can see here, it's already active. Now, once installed, all you have to do is to come over here to Tools, hover over here and click on InstaWP. So to create our staging, all you have to do is to click on this plus button here. So here you can choose whatever staging that you want. So we have quick staging, full staging, and custom staging. So I'm going to go with full staging. And then over here, I'm going to give this a name. Now over here, you also have an option to select or deselect whatever you don't need. So I'm just going to continue on and click on the next step. So on the stage here, you can exclude some files if you need to. So if I click here on expand, this is going to show us a list of all the files on our WordPress website. So you can go in and exclude whatever you don't need, but I'm going to leave everything as it is right now and then click on next. But before I do that, we also have the similar option for our tables here. So you can deselect whatever you don't need. So now I'm going to click on next and then click on create staging. So now our staging site is being created. So all our files and our database files are all being added onto our new staging site. And in this case, this is going to be a replica of our existing website. This can take a while depending on how big your website is. So you'd really have to be patient if you have a big website. Okay, so it looks like our website is ready. So if I come back over here, you're going to notice that on top of the list is my staging website. Okay, so let's see if our website was migrated correctly. So this is the site that it needs to look like, and notice that our URL here is Twinkly Worm, and over here we have my site 2024. So all I'm going to do now is to click over here to see the website. And sure enough, when you take a look at my site 2024, it's exactly like our original site, Twinkly Worm. Okay, so let's explore different migration methods using InstaWP. So the one I really like is, let's say you have a staging site here and you're just about now to have it live. InstaWP has a service called InstaWP Live. It's a hosting platform, which is fantastic. Okay, so let's say you're ready to host your website. So this is our staging sites. All you have to do is to come to the one that you want to host. You click here on this little icon that says Go Live, and here we go. We have InstaWP Live. All you have to do now is to click on Next Step. And here are all our pricing plans. You can also manually migrate your WordPress website using a supported hosting service called RunCloud or ServerAvatar for a seamless migration. Now, InstaWP also has another way of migrating your website, and this one is by far the easiest. It's called app.instawp.io/migrate. Now, what makes this unique is you can just come over here and enter your source URL and then enter your destination URL. Once you connect both, if you click on Start Migration, the migration is going to start. Now, again, I have a dedicated video where I show you step by step how to do this. I'll link all the videos in the video description below. So there are factors that you need to consider when choosing a hosting service. So these are security, customer support, scalability, customization, and so on. So the good news is InstaWP Live provides all of these, and I would really highly recommend you go and check out InstaWP Live before you start shopping for a hosting service. So go ahead, try out InstaWP. The link to that is in the video description below. This is an all-in-one tool for anyone who is serious about WordPress. Anyway, guys, thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.